In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App overdraft limit decreased. Intro. Now, Cash App can lower your overdraft limit based on changes to your direct deposits, Cash App, card spending, account history, and other eligibility factors. Begin just by opening up Cash App, and you need to go to the Money tab, and essentially you need to select the free overdraft coverage from within this section to check your new limit. To improve your eligibility, you just need to continue qualifying for Cash App Green each month, which is up at the very top of this page. You'll see Cash App Green right here. You can only do this just by receiving at least $300 in qualifying paycheck deposits or spending at least $500 with your Cash App card during the month. Also, just repay any current overdraft balance that you might already have and continue using Cash App like normal. There's no setting that manually lets you restore or increase your limit, and Cash App support may not be able to override it. You essentially just have to, keep using Cash App like normal and be responsible, and it'll go back up. Your limit can also be reviewed and adjusted again automatically as your account activity changes. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.